Hello, my name is Sally Gimmon, and I'm the owner of the trustisyou.com in a podcast called Stop Paying Capital Gains. On November 14th at 4 p.m. East Coast time, I'm going to do a new presentation on save federal taxes legally at 4 p.m. East Coast time. I wanted to talk about some of my clients who are saving so much money. So let me share my screen. Now, the Spendthrift Trust is legal, copywritten, and in the IRS Tax Code 643B. It's going to save you in 4 extremely important ways. Number 1, federal taxes, year after year, generation after generation. Everybody wants to save federal taxes. Number 2, it's going to keep your information 100% private. There's a false rumor out there, your LLC or S Corp will keep your information private. Oh, no, no, no. I can write a letter, a Freedom of Information letter to the Secretary of State or the Corporation Commission in your state and say, tell me about this LLC. Number 3, you're going to not pay any judgments if you get sued. The old adage from Nelson Rockefeller, own nothing, control everything. And number 4, if you don't know about the 2024 Corporate Transparency Act that starts January 1st of 2024, you will not have to do any of the paperwork with either the business trust or the beneficial trust. Actually, business, beneficial, the charitable trust, the senior trust, and then we have real estate trust if you're going to do like a syndication. Now, with this trust, it's legal, copywritten in the IRS Tax Code. Most people do not realize the IRS tax code went into effect back in February of 1913 in the Barron families, the rich families, like the Rockefellers, the DuPonts, the Carnegies, and the Kennedys have this trust. The law firm I work on behalf of has the 72-year-old copyright on this, the Benson Financial Trust. They have inherited a trust that turned 350 years old in 2023 because this comes from England as contract law. It came to the United States while we were still a colony of England. Most people don't realize back, I'm not going to even give you the year, back when King Henry VIII got in trouble for chopping off his wives' heads, he started the Church of England. He went to go tax the lords and ladies of England. They went further back to the Magna Carta and said, no, 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 King Henry VIII, you can't do this. This is gone in front of the U.S. Supreme Court twice, and both times the Supreme Court has said this is legal. I want to teach as many U.S. business owners, 1099 income earners, and investors how to save federal taxes legally with the Spendthrift Trust. The full title of the trust is Irrevocable, Complex, Discretionary, Non-Grantor Trust. Just to give you an idea, it goes from generation to generation, irrevocable, complex. It can hold money from day to day, month to month, year to year, decade to decade. Discretionary, whoever are the trustees can make the rules for the beneficiaries. Non-grantor makes this trust 100% private. When you start the trust for 10 minutes, you're going to have somebody who is the settler sign up for the trust, sign away from the trust, and have their social security number. This is not a speed bump. Either myself or somebody at the else at the law firm can do this for you free of charge. And then the 5th element, Spendthrift Trust. Very rich families have this. If you make an appointment with me, www.thetrustisyou.com, scheduling, I will give you 2 pages of case law. I will give you articles from Forbes magazine, and I will give you the book that I learned about the Rockefellers Trust. Please come November 14th at 4 p.m. East Coast time to learn more about how to save federal taxes legally. Thank you for watching my little vignettes every day. I hope you're learning something new. Have a beautiful Sunday.